What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel again. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now let's get into this. We got a shibainu update, and I'm gonna just say it right now. I smell Shibarium cooking. I think it's almost done, and I'm gonna tell y'all in this quick video why. So first off, Shiba Inu gains double digits in 24 hours amidst the prolonged bear market. If you watch my previous videos, go back about 3 to 4 videos, and you'll see that I told y'all the time is now to catch that dip. We caught that first dip. We were up 10% one day. The following day, we it was kind of sideways, and then the next day we seen almost 35 to 40% gains, where we made almost like 40% on our money total within a couple day period. So this is why you want to tune in and make sure you got notifications on. So Shiba Inu displayed remarkable growth in the last 24 hours with over 30% gains amidst the bear market. SHIB joined other alts last week as there were bloodshed in the entire market. Bitcoin had hit a low of 17,708 last week before climbing slowly to 21,400 at the time of writing. Even though other alts rose in single digits, Shiba Inu outperformed them with remarkable gains. That's something I told y'all to pay attention to. The fact that we had the next highest coin was probably like Solana or something like that, but actually dogecoin with like a 9% gain, and nothing else was standing close. Bitcoin was only up around 2%, ETH was up around maybe 3.5%, but to see Shiba Inu up 30% when the rest of the market is lagging like that, that means someone knows something. A lot of money was just injected, and that's for a reason. Now we got a couple things I want to show y'all that I'm paying attention to. Satoshi just made this release a couple days ago saying things are basically moving smoothly on all fronts, and over the next few weeks you will begin to see the things we've been working on come to fruition at what looks to be when SHIB and the world needs it most. So Satoshi is giving us kind of this preparatory heads up that something is about to happen. Now we also got this community update from the Shiba Inu official blog, letting us know that we had to vote on this proposal, deciding if we wanted to either A, stop bone farms when they reach 230 minted bones to save the remaining 20 million for validators, or option B, over minting 20 million additional bone to increase the total cap from 250 million to 270 million. And you've seen we had overwhelming support for option A, so they're gonna most likely stop the minting at 230 bones and save the remaining 20 million for validators. Now another important thing we want to look at to connect the dots is this proposal is set to go live, is what they told us, which was June 19th. They said we had a 7-day period to vote on this. That would make June 26th the 7th day after this. And now that we were told Shibarium should be released before the summer came. Yesterday was the first official day of summer, so that summer has rolled in. We see Shibarium is basically almost 1 day late so far, but I think that means we're gonna get this surprise rollout very, very soon. We were told it was going to release before summer and at the latest before the end of summer. But I think with Satoshi saying everything is basically moving smoothly and on track, that we're gonna see Shibarium releasing very, very soon. Connect the dots. Do not say I didn't tell you that this was about to happen. Also, this is not financial advice, more like financial education, financial entertainment. I'm showing y'all how to connect some of these dots. But let's take a look at the price as well, and just take a look at the chart on the day chart. So we see a ton of volume came in. We see our relative strength index at a 47 right now, which means we could possibly still go either way. We are kind of right in that middle, not quite yet oversold, not overbought either. And if we zoom in and look at the Bollinger Bands, we can see we are trading above this mid Bollinger Band, which is kind of a bullish sign right now. It kind of lets us know that we could potentially push to this upside right now, but that's not all we want to look at. We want to look in at a closer time frame, maybe the 4 hour, to try to get a better idea as well. So also, let's pull up our moving average convergence divergence, aka the MACD, and take a look at how that is. So right now it's telling us that we still got room to potentially cool off. We seen this candle open up bearish and push down with a lot of selling pressure that pushed it right below that mid Bollinger Band, but it was held there and buyers pushed it up, signifying that this is kind of where the market wants to price at right now. So it's using this mid Bollinger Band kind of as a support right now. And if we take a look and look back in the chart, we can see that this support where we're finding right here, maybe right where the mid Bollinger Band is, actually a little bit further down, is where we seen support, or the price wick down to that 931 level. So that's a important level we want to pay attention to right now. So could the price wick down there again? Possibly, but we want to take a look at volume now. So we had a lot of volume move in over the 21st. Today we seen a lot of selling pressure come in. So with us seeing this much selling pressure come in, also our RSI not either overbought or oversold just yet. That still lets us know that we could potentially come down. Let's take a look at the trend that we're in. We're still in a downtrend. Even if we look at this RSI, we're meeting resistance on this trend line here. So notice how we're kind of respecting this trend right here. So it's telling us that, likely the price still wants to, follow this trend until we get some type of major breakout. We starting to see some rejection off of that trend line right there, which telling us it is respecting it. Now let's zoom in. MACD already bounced off of the signal line, which that was already the sign to buy here. It also touched the lower Bollinger Band there, so that would have been a good entry. So right now, it's not looking like we got the. It's a good entry because we got a 7% discount right now. The price was down around 10%. For that reason, if you would have caught that 10%, that would have been nice. But right now, it's looking like it still can cool down a little bit more. Could you catch 7% off and that be a good deal? Yes, that is. But it looks like we could potentially see just a little bit of cool off. So let's take a look on a closer time frame. Okay, so as we move into this 4 hour, we can see price is moving down in this downtrend right here. If we take a look, we made a low here. Price bounced up, rejected off of this resistance line here before it was pushed back down to make a higher low. But we're still working our way to this mid Bollinger Band. So we could be pulling back to that 9 level, potentially in a short time frame within the today, tomorrow early, and potentially even lower back around to that 7.3-ish range. Because if you notice, we found this area of support last time. Normally we want to go back and try to test around those areas before we completely break out. So also, if we take a look at the RSI on the 4 hour, we're at a 55, and if we look, most of the time the RSI was held underneath this resistance line here. So it's holding it right here, but with all the other signs, it's likely to want to drop underneath here and then come test some of these lower areas. We also see the MACD pointing down, also showing us that the price is likely to continue pushing down as well. So if you see it at 15% discount, that's what I like to tell y'all. I like to pull the trigger around 15%. 10% you should be eyeing it. 15%, that's a really good deal if you haven't either bought in or you're looking to bring your average cost down. Now let's take a look at the overall market real quick. We got Bitcoin back under 20,000. That's a bearish sign as well, that the markets are pulling back or seeing a correction. We got Ethereum down 6.2%, back under 1100, a sign the markets are pulling back right now. BNB down 2%, back under 220, 230, showing that the signs want to pull back, or that the markets want to pull back again. Dogecoin down 5%, showing that the markets want to pull back. Normally when we see the markets pull back like this overall, even shibainu will be affected by it. We got a strong community, we got a lot of people diamond handed, but you just can't do anything about this. So 7% right now. Remember, it was down further earlier today. I seen it down 15%. If you would have caught that dip, that would have been nice, but I think it just had a nice little pop up and is gonna pull back again. So go back to those levels that we just talked about. Those might be some good areas to get in. If you haven't started a bag of Shiba Inu yet, This is not a bad price to buy because we are back under that zero. We're gonna eventually eat the zero again. So, you know, if you want to just get in where you fit in, that's fine as well. But dollar cost average, you know, don't risk more than you're willing to lose. Just be wise about it. That's all we got for this video. Stay tuned. We will be doing a live stream class later on, going over economic indicators. Our last 3 classes had over 3,000 students show up to those classes. So shout out to y'all that are taking this information seriously. Reach out to me if you're interested in getting any of my courses, stock options trading course, crypto 101 course, or my technical analysis course. So all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.